Here is a complete list with all the details behind the most promising coins to buy in November. I'm glad you came to this video, really, because these coins are about to have insane highs. And the fact that you know about these price explosions before it happens and before anyone else puts you ahead in the market. That's the power of getting in early. So stay with us until the end of this video, and let's begin our today's list. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin investors don't seem willing to sell their coins. Actually, they will hold for a lot longer, at least as long as the bull run continues. There is some evidence that the current bull run is only 50% complete. Using the realized hold ratio indicator created by popular analyst Philip Swift, show that Bitcoin is still far from the classic top signals it gave at the height of previous bull markets. This R-hodl shows the levels of seller exhaustion. And so far, we're only halfway there. There's no reason to be concerned about BTC's big corrections in November. In fact, R-hodl is far from alone in calling for an extended end to the bull run. Other sources include Bitcoin stock-to-flow model creator Plan B. Plan B believes that Bitcoin has a good 6 months left before a turning point hits. Also, in a recent episode of The Best Business Show, Pete Rizzo, editor at major exchange Kraken, said he's confident in the Bitcoin technology's ability to bring sellers back to the market. And the price at which it does so will likely be higher than we can predict currently. Rizzo also mentioned the predictions figures ranging from $300,000 to $500,000 will be something high enough to really wow.
It's going to be a lot larger than most Bitcoiners think it is. I think my personal prediction is that we're going to go probably north of 300. I would say that this is based on my personal opinion that one of the things you see in Bitcoin is when it really goes parabolic, there's no one selling Bitcoin, right? So what is the Bitcoin price? It is a, number that essentially, the market's sort of looking for a price at which the marginal seller will return. So I view Bitcoin tops as sort of social attacks on Bitcoiners, right? So pump for me, like the top is the moment where you're like, man, I have to sell. Like I have to sell some Bitcoin because, my brothers are going to yell at me. Something's going to happen. I'm going to be sleeping on the couch tonight if I don't sell my Bitcoin. Since most Bitcoiners expect 100,000, I don't think they're selling at that point, right? So I think the Bitcoin price is going to have to continue going up until some point at which it convinces enough people to redistribute their Bitcoins. I'm expecting that.
So November will be a decisive month for the bull run market. It's time to be bullish about BTC. Number 2, Curve, CRV. In the last days of October, CRV price rallied toward a new one-year high. And this is really impressive since this coin was off the radar of many people in the crypto market. Curve Protocol's native CRV token is in a bullish moment and has stronger fundamentals that explain such an optimistic outlook. Here are 3 reasons why CRV should receive your attention. 1. Curve's incentives for holders. A major factor behind CRV's rally is Curve's incentives for holders that lock their tokens on the protocol long-term and earn rewards from staking. As a result of these incentives, more than 340 million CRVs are currently locked on the Curve protocol with an average vesting time of 3.68 years, according to data from Curve. This amount out of circulation makes the price go up as the token supply decreases. 2. Convex Finance leads the Curve wars. Another reason for the uptrend in CRV price is the ongoing Curve competition between protocols like Yearn Finance and Convex Finance, with a kind of Game of Thrones political war to dispute votes from CRV holders. In this kind of Curve war, each protocol is bribing CRV holders by offering attractive yields so that they will use the governance power granted by staking CRV and holding to vote for a higher allocation of stablecoins to the DeFi protocol in question. So they offer the most attractive yields to entice CRV holders to lock tokens in their vaults. Not by chance, many have referred to this process as buying votes. 3. TVL keeps soaring. The total value locked TVL in Curve also continues to surge, and the platform hosts some of the largest stablecoin pools in the DeFi ecosystem. The total value locked on Curve is now at a record high $18.84 billion, making Curve the second largest protocol by total value locked. The increase in TVL was primarily caused by Curve's success in integrating with many of the top protocols with active DeFi ecosystems, including Ethereum, Avalanche, Harmony, Polygon, and Phantom. So if you didn't know about the CRV token until now, you'd better start researching more about it and invest before prices go even higher. Number 3. Phantom, FTM. Phantom is a really interesting project that we think is undervalued close to the potential it has. However, in the last weeks, its price has been rising, and Phantom's uptrend has reached a pivotal point that could determine where its price heads next. From a technical perspective, Phantom's price action appears to have been contained within an ascending parallel channel since September 15th. Every time FTM has risen to these technical formations, then the price retraces to the pattern's lower edge. From this point, the price tends to rebound, which is consistent with the characteristics of a parallel channel. Now, FTM has tested the channel's upper trend line for the third time in the past 3 days. The truth is that FTM prices can pass through a correction. These crucial areas of support sit at $2.85 and $2.29. For Phantom to rise to new all-time highs, it must make a decisive close above $3.95. Going through this hurdle could result in a breakout, sending FTM into an 85% bull rally toward a new all-time high of $7.30. So that information is enough to make you watch the FTM performance, right? Number 4. Polkadot. If you have been watching this channel and paying close attention to the news, you already know that it's no secret that the DOT's price can go up, reaching a historic high this month. Analysts remain optimistic on the Polkadot network's parachain launch scheduled for November 11th. The price of DOT has started climbing higher ahead of Polkadot's parachain launch, posting nearly 10% gains over the last week. Cryptocurrency analysts have shared their bullish outlook on DOT price, revealing that they are very bullish on the Polkadot network's native asset. Lark Davis, a cryptocurrency analyst and YouTuber, announced that he's looking forward to the parachain auctions and has been tweeting a lot about it. Polkadot is preparing for a multi-chain future with its parachain auctions. Unlike Ethereum, the main DOT's competitor, the DOT ecosystem is ready with the technical capabilities to support parallel blockchains. One of the most exciting features of the DOT network is that each parachain can then be connected to external networks through bridges, meaning DOT can connect itself with any other crypto ecosystem like ETH, Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, and beyond. Therefore, investors are quite bullish about the future of Polkadot network, and so are we. And how about you? What do you think these parachains auctions will affect DOT's price? Are you a DOT holder? Tell us everything about it in the comment sections. Now let's talk about the last coin in our list today. Number 5. Polygon, Matic. Polygon's native token, Matic, has overcome its significant resistance barriers and now looks primed for new all-time highs. Matic has enjoyed bullish momentum over the last week, rising by more than 22% in market value. Now, further buying pressure around the current price levels could push Matic to a new all-time high at $2.80. However, the potential increase in selling pressure could slow down the uptrend, preventing Matic from achieving its upside potential. Well, the good news is that at the time I'm recording this video, Matic has already broken through its first price barrier, which was around $2. The trend then moves upward day by day. so this is the right time to pay attention to this asset. Alright guys, that's all for today. Always remember that none of this information should be taken as an investment advice. This video was made to be the starting point of your research, not the final answer of what asset you should buy. We are not financial advisors, so do your own research and trade safely. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be up to date about everything in the crypto market. Also, check our gifts and bonuses in description to invest in crypto with the best market conditions. Thank you for watching, and I'll be waiting for you in our next video.